my friend. Look at this guy. Woo! How are you? I want a lift. I want a lift. Huh? I jump there. Come closer. Is the water too much? Is it too strong? Is the water too strong? It's too much. You give me a lift. I want a lift. Woo! Guys. How much is it? Hey. There was a place, the Nini was so strong. The waves were so strong. Hey! Where? Those, so I'm getting ready to go for boat ride up to Sandy Beach, guys. So this is the
Jetski. Go Jetski.
guys. Woo! Guys. I did not come ready for you. Okay, guys. So, actually, let's enjoy. Okay. Just keep it like this on one side. Guys, I'm going to be so wet. Literally wet. But that is short. I'm wet.
How was it?
Too scary.
But it's fun, eh?
It's so much fun, guys, but I don't think I'll take it. Guys, subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe, guys.